Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 crash on loading screen. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do just click here and then type here background apps, and then click turn off all those applications here, and now click here and now type here device manager, and then go to display adapters and make sure to update all those drivers. Right click update and search automatically for drivers, and then to the next one, and that's it. After that, restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.